Can sound create shapes? One scientist proved it centuries ago. Ernst Florenz Chladni was a German physicist and musician. Ernst Chladni sprinkled sand on metal plates and ran a violin bow along the edge. The sand jumped into perfect geometric patterns. People thought it was magic. Chladni proved it was physics. Sound waves have structure. But Chladni didn't just make sand dance. His experiment proved for the first time that sound is a physical wave, not just something we hear. Those beautiful patterns revealed how vibrations move through solid objects, a discovery that later shaped acoustics, musical instrument design, and even modern engineering. Today, his patterns are still used in acoustics, speaker design, and science education. Sound finally had a shape. Comment: would you like to see this experiment recreated today? Like and subscribe for more incredible science stories.